How to fix your games not opening in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your games not opening in your PC. So let us get started. First of all, you'll need to head over to your registry editor. So simply search for registry editor and open it up. After you open this up, there will be a lot of options here. Let me just minimize this first. So under here, you'll need to go to HKey classes root. So expand that. And under here, first, you will need to search for exe file. So search for .exe. This is the one. And after you tap on that, you'll see the default option. Right click on the default and tap on modify. Now make sure that the value data is on exe file. After you do so, hit on OK. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down again. And after you scroll down for a bit, you should see exe again. So right here, you will see the exe file. You can expand this if you want to, but we'll go there later. So tap on exe file and there is default again. Now right click on default and tap on modify. Now right here, make sure that you have this on application and tap on OK. Now head over to shell. And after you're on shell, again head to default and tap on modify. And now make sure that this is empty. After you do all of this, all you need to do is simply restart your PC and then your games should be opening just fine. And yeah, that is basically how you fix the problem, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.